Whose beauty secrets would I want? Charlize Theron. That is a beauty. Whew. I want to sneak in and spy. Then I'd get arrested. And they'd be another reindeer, baby or crazy reindeer. What's the name? Baby reindeer. Hi, TZR. I'm Brooke Shields, and here are my beauty secrets. Baby shark, shark, shark. Oh, God. My synapses are firing at quite a rapid pace. I need alcohol. Just another day at the office. My tips for fabulous eyebrows. Don't let anybody do anything to them because it's a trend. Keep them as natural as you can. Don't let them. It was a personal affront, the skinny eyebrow trend. I took it very personally. Went to legislation over it. I was very disappointed.
Well, I heard it's coming back.
Oh, shit. Listen, I never really have done anything to my eyebrows. I think if it makes you feel good, do whatever the hell you want to do. Honestly, I'm battling now with having gray eyebrows. I'm like, wow, when did that happen? So that's my next project. Watch, I'll look like Groucho Marx the next time you see me. I have two very, very different daughters. One of them is obsessed with beauty, and the other just does not spend the time on herself. But I think it's just to really try to stay as much their individual selves as possible. Everybody sort of is looking the same, and their individuality to me is what I always stress to them to maintain and honor it. My favorite glam moment was when I got nominated for a Golden Globe, and I wore this beautiful Richard Tyler custom-made dress. I got yelled at the next day by the agency because they said I looked too much like a movie star and not like an actress, and that I shouldn't have worn red on the carpet. The next year, everybody wore red on that same carpet. And then some 30-something years later, my older daughter wore it to her prom. The signature Brooke Shields look. It's a tough one because I'm so used to wearing other people's ideas. But for me, it's a good pair of jeans, tank or t-shirt, and a blazer. That's my go-to. Well, I started my career at 11 months old, so it's probably a fellow diaper model. You know what? Kate Moss always struck me as just the sense of fashion and style was just effortless. I'm just so excited today that people are really seeming to come into their own with regards to style, and that there is diversity, and I'm loving the mix of masculine and feminine that I think is really sexy. The best tip I ever got from a makeup artist was when you put eye drops in your eyes, you really quickly, in the 80s it probably raised eyebrows, or maybe didn't at all in the 80s, but it gets the eye drops into your tear duct, and then it doesn't come out and ruin your makeup. My daily skincare routine would make your head spin because I have so many different products. I have to have moisture, I have to have lip balm, and I have to have eye drops. That Grande Lash MD really works on my eyelashes. I don't work for them, but I use it, and it's made my lashes grow back. That should have been $1 million right there. Current perfume, favorite perfume, Kai, is the first perfume that my daughter liked the smell of, and they're very particular about how I smell. I've had such drastic changes in my approach to beauty, and I've spent so many decades not even paying attention to any of it. And you sort of just do it as a job, and it never was in my personal life, and it never really was me. The past few years, actually, it's taken me a really long time. I've started to really find just what I like and what I want to wear. It took me long enough, but if you're a model forever, you are used to morphing into whatever that style is for that particular job. And now it's all about me.